What's up people, and welcome back to another video. Just going to do a quick one. Just want to sort out something that's really annoyed on my Mark 1, and it might help you sort yours out, because see if yours has gone the same way. And what it is on those rear lights, that cloud. Let's see if we can get that looking clear again. Let's just give it a quick clean with some detailer. Just going to tape up around these sort of edges.
I don't see the purpose of this little clear plastic thing just stuck over the rear lights. If someone knows, please comment below.
There we go. So we're just going to be concentrating on this one spot here and trying to get that looking clear. So what I'm going to do first, I was going to go with a bit of 1500. But that's looking better already. So what we'll do now is just give it a bit of polish and see if that will come up and be nice and clean. Nice and clean, nice and clear. So what I'm going to use is just a bit of plastic X. So, and a DA. Now let's see if we can get that looking really good. Shake the bottle up.
You can do this by hand, but it's so much quicker to do it with a machine polisher.
So that looks much better. All I did was use a bit of 1500 and then machined it off with plastic X. Happy days. Looks much better now than what it did when it was all clouded up. Just polishing up that bit of plastic makes all the difference. We're still installing the front headlamps yet, so we'll do that in another video, but that's that rear little lens cover sorted out for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
So if your TT has a discoloured or cracks within the window, please look in the description to find out how you can get a replacement.
Sometimes I get so mad, there's no control in me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like